Hello friends, welcome to Tech News. In this video, you will get tech news. The first one is European Union may force Apple to have USB-C port in iPhone. You will see later in this year or later. The second news is very sad. 25-year-old suffered brain stroke while playing game and died. It's very sad for the people who are addicted to play PUBG games or who are addicted to mobiles. We have to avoid, we have to use less mobile or PUBG game. We have to play less. Samsung is expected to launch a new foldable smartphone on February 11. Huawei to replace Google Maps with TomTom, Dutch mapping company. BS6 Himalaya launched from 1.86 lakh. You will get three new colors. Samsung Display, a flat screen supplier to Samsung Electronic Company, will invest nearly $500 million to build a new factory in India. Hyundai and Uber unveiled a concept design for flying cars. The 5-person vehicle will have a cruising speed of 290 km per hour and cruising altitude of around 1,000 and 2,000 feet, nearly 300-600 meters above the ground. Hyundai said it will have a range of 60 miles. It means 100 kilometers between ranging. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You will get the notification. Thank you for listening me. Bye-bye.